How to solve TNG eWallet app. Something went wrong. Please try again later problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the settings of your device and then scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps. Now you need to scroll down until you find the option of the application TNG wallet. So just scroll down and here you can find the application. Just select on that application and then you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that and select on OK. Now we're going to go back and we're going to tap on Play Store, and on the search bar we're going to search for TNG eWallet and just look for any updates if they are available. Now since you can see my app is updated to its latest version, so my app is updated. Now next method what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on power button and we're gonna try to reboot the device, so this might also solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.